Step into Neo Dashcam, where the calm of the highway can flip into pure adrenaline in a split second. Hit subscribe, keep your hands on the wheel, and enjoy the ride.
Looks like someone tried to audition for a Fast and Furious stunt scene without a stunt team.
Use the right
Okay, it's okay.
Turn right.
It's okay, we're okay.
One wrong move can be enough to throw everything out of control, turning an ordinary drive into a moment of complete loss of control.
Okay, we're stopping.
Road rage on a busy highway can turn a minor issue into a life-changing moment. These dashcam car crashes at night are a reminder that focus and patience are the keys to staying safe. "11. High speed without control can turn everything upside down in seconds. 12. Racing on public roads risks everything for a few seconds of thrill.
Whoosh! Yeah.
11. High speed without control can turn everything upside down in seconds. 12. Someone's getting a new life motto tonight. Always sprint like a sale just dropped at Walmart. Looks like someone just tested the gravity check feature. Works perfectly. Speeding may save seconds, but it can cost everything else. Rear bumpers weren't made for surprise greetings. They're designed for protection, not as a meeting point for unwanted impacts. Did he even hit the brakes? Who do you think is really at fault here? That hit came out of nowhere, like a curveball straight to home plate. Just 1 second of losing control can lead to unintended consequences, turning an ordinary drive into a stressful experience with unpredictable damages. Lane changes aren't meant to be surprise stunts. Lane changes aren't meant to be surprise stunts. That scene looked more like a runaway trailer than a highway drive. A single reckless moment can flip safety upside down. Intersections always remind us why traffic laws exist. Like two roller coasters trying to share the same track.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Someone just donated their front bumper to science. Free crash testing included. That outcome hit harder than missing the last touchdown in a Super Bowl final.
It was talking crap again. Well, I didn't even know he was right behind me.
Guess someone mistook the road for a demolition derby. This was definitely a car delivery that didn't go as planned. This YHO wild road rage moment will probably be remembered for a long time. Guess someone just unlocked the bike-to-car express delivery. Losing control at a toll plaza shows how quickly things can escalate. One sharp turn at high speed is enough to overturn control completely. Seems like someone thought the lane divider was just a fun suggestion. Have you ever seen drivers who treat the rules like a joke? Rear bumpers weren't made for surprise greetings. They're designed for protection, not as a meeting point for unwanted impacts. Turning the barriers into a personal crash test was probably never part of anyone's safety plan. That move went off track faster than a NASCAR rookie on opening day. In a split second, this turned into a painful reminder of why defensive driving matters. Looks like someone just unlocked gravity's free trial. Steep slopes demand respect. Slow down early or the hill will decide for you. Guess the car just signed up for a surprise makeover. Body shop edition. That driver just turned the highway into their own personal dance floor. Wrong kind of moves, though. That's one close call nobody had on their schedule today. A late-night drive isn't the time for surprise bumper tests.
Hey, I'm good.
That's one parking trick nobody wants to learn. Seems like someone thought the lane divider was just a fun suggestion. Have you ever seen drivers who treat the rules like a joke? A quick pause at intersections can prevent years of regret. That hit came faster than a fastball straight out of the pitcher's hand. Whoa, a second of patience could have kept both cars out of the shop. That crash was louder than the crowd's cheer after a game-winning shot. Have you ever witnessed a tense moment like this? Share your thoughts below. Guess someone mistook the road for a demolition derby. Apparently, parking spots aren't meant for crash tests, but someone forgot. Rain turned the road into a skating rink, and someone bought the wrong ticket. Looks like both drivers thought the road belonged to them. Seems like both drivers signed up for the free hood reshaping service. Seems like both drivers signed up for the free hood reshaping service. That's one heavyweight hug no car ever wants. Wet roads require lighter feet on the gas. Slowing down beats sliding out every time. One rushed decision here turned into a costly reminder about slowing down. That move was like trying to grab the last slice of pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving. Everybody loses in the end. Well, that escalated faster than a gas price hike before Labor Day weekend. Well, the repair shop just gained a brand new VIP customer. Dark roads demand twice the focus because mistakes hide better in the shadows. One slippery moment is all it takes to turn control into chaos. Patience on the road is cheap.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Like two shopping carts colliding in the busiest aisle.
tunelom Sitina smerom do Stupavy na trase zo Žiliny do Kyslíka. Držíte 10 až 15 minút, rovnako v Košiciach pri južnom nábreží smerom na most VSS a na jazde do Rožňavy smerom do Kína.
Looks like both drivers thought the road belonged to them. Seems like someone just tested the truck-proof mode and failed. Speed is tempting, but control is what gets you to the finish line in one piece. It felt like ice skating, except the car didn't sign up for lessons. Mother Nature has her own way of reminding us who's really in control. Guess the insurance company just found its next episode. Felt like racing in a NASCAR event, but but the referee forgot to blow the whistle to stop the race.
Neo Dashcam wraps up here for today. Always stay cautious behind the wheel, because the best journey is the one that ends safely. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to become part of our community.